You can expect a lot from the 2019 Ram 3500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. This model accommodates 6 passengers comfortably and provides features such as delay-off headlights, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, turn signal indicator mirrors, and air conditioning. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.